funny? When we were noobs, we actually thought this place was scary.
I still have nightmares about trashing my first pair of Jordans here.
Well, I still have nightmares about those nasty elbow pads Jake used to wear. The ones he never washed.
Not funny. I miss those pads.
You asked me in this place is scary?
Well, we didn't ask you, King.
Come on, Jake, don't bag on King. Poor kid's got no filter.
I didn't bag on him. I said we didn't ask his opinion on what's scary.
I'll tell you what's scary. UFOs. Nice to know. I was
See what I mean? You can't take anything he says too seriously.
I don't know. We'd explain things.
My parents say that's why I'm brilliant. Because I have alien DNA. Just like you taught me.
Speaking of Tani, she wants us to meet her at the yard. She's got something to show us. Says it's out of this world with like 12 alien emojis.
Okay, I'm creeped.
Look at what your daughter's wearing.
The necklace is a bit much.
It's an heirloom.
Dad's.
Sorry, Mrs. Fairchild. Fresh doesn't get out much.
Obviously.
Let's put her out of her misery.
Dang it, where'd he go? He went down there?
What?
Welcome to the future of skateboarding. How did you... That turbine we found? It's some kind of anti-gravity technology. I'm still figuring out how to neutralize the magnetic properties.
Okay, this has to stay secret or...
First! Okay, wait! It's really hard to... Steer.
I got this! I got this! I don't got this!
Can't you reel him back in with that remote?
It only works up to 10 feet away.
He'll be fine.
So like I was saying, if anybody finds out you invented a hoverboard, a real hoverboard, every tech company in the world will send guys on steroids to steal it. I can see it now. We all get taken into some cheap motel room. You know, the kind with really gross wallpaper. And they interrogate us until one of us breaks.
No way I'd break, unless they messed with Boomy.
Maybe I should make the technology open source. You know, free. It's not like I invented it. I don't even think it's from this planet.
This would make a great game!
But you're right, Tricky. For now, we should keep this secret. I mean, what if somebody got hurt? Oops.
Worth it.
I should have stayed home today. My horoscope said to stay in my shell.
Tell me you two superheroes gave up already. Come on, this is just starting to get...
Ah! Oh! I told you we'd get you. This time, we're taking this to your mother.
Whoa, hold on. Wait. What was that?
It was, none of your business. That's what it was. Central Station staff only.